All right, so let's add some antennas here. Same thing, we're just going to go in. With these like little small things, sometimes it's a lot easier, and we can cross our fingers, especially since the background's so blurred out. If we use the object selection tool right here, and we're going to select each one of these. So right there, copy, and we'll go over to our project here and paste. And we'll want to have that antenna near the top there. And same thing on this area right here. So it's got it. Command C. And then we'll just kind of rotate these, make them kind of feel like they're coming out from this area here. This is horrifying, guys. I'm really sorry. Same thing, enlarge it just a little bit, making sure that we have kind of a similar size of these two parts of the antennae. There we go, they're kind of looking a little bit like eyebrows now. There we are. Horrifying. All right. In the next section, let's work a little bit with color.